Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the COMHOMA. This is a relaxed chair, a television armchair with adjustable backrest for adjustment levels up to 160 degrees adjustability. Feather cushion with a stool, single lounger. It's an armchair for the living room, for the bedroom, for home, for a cinema, and where you need it, of course. It comes in beige or gray as you like it. The materials are iron frames and linen. And it weighs round about 30 kilograms. That's heavy. That's quality. This relaxed chair has a four-way adjustable backrest from 90 degrees up to 160. We find the perfect position to sit and relax after a long time of work and enjoy the comfort and the pleasure of the relaxed chair. This set of armchair and ottoman is made of skin-friendly fabric, a structure of high-density plywood and 18 cm thick sponge. It feels soft and skin-friendly. It is durable and pelling-resistant. The wide armrest offers enough space for a lot what you need to do there. This living room armchair comes with a matching storage space ottoman. This has plenty of storage space and a liftable plate for the blankets, books, and others small things. We can relax on the sofa and put our feet on the ottomans to relax our legs and enjoy the present time. The COMHOMA Relax chair consists of the sturdy iron frame and a high-quality material such as polyester padding and foam, and has a modern design. It's durable and comfortable too. Due to the strong material and the stable structure, the maximum load capacity can reach up to 150 kilograms. That's cool. The wide armrests resemble an elephant ears and provide additional comfort and support, making the chair ideal for long sitting. This recliner offers us a perfect place to relax. We can use the armchair in our living room, bedroom, or office, where we need it, where we like it. COMHOMA brings us here a perfectly breathable and elegant-to-touch device. We have four-way adjustable the reading chair. We don't need to use any other aids. Just sit on the sofa chair and sit back to the choose of the desired angle as we need it, because we have four positions we can use and take the right dimensions of it. We have wide elephant eared armrest. No elephant is armed, of course. We have a removable backrest. We have a sturdy wooden support legs. Lateral storage back. We have here all what we need for good office, for good living room, and a relaxed time for us. This all brings us the COMHOMA Relax armchair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.